So we're going to attempt to find a solution to a story problem using a system of equations. So we're going to use the given information to create two equations and then solve the system by using either elimination or substitution. At a bake sale, brownies sold at $1.50 each and a few cakes sold at $7 each. Total sales were $83.50. The difference in the brownies and cakes sold was $33. How many of each item were sold? Create a system and solve it. So using the information, can we create two equations? Before we start the equations, let's talk about our two variables, and they are brownies and cakes. And I'm going to write brownies as B and cakes as C. Now, looking at the first statement, it says brownies sold at $1.50 each and a few cakes sold at $7 each. And the total sales were $83.50. So, to find how much money you made from brownies, you would take the amount of brownies you sold and times it by 1.5. To find how much money you made from cakes, you would take the amount of cakes you sold and multiply it by 7. So that's 1.5 times B, and then you add that to 7 times C. That should get you your total amount of money you made, which was $83.50. That is your first equation. The second equation deals with the next sentence. The difference in the brownies and cakes sold was 33. Difference means subtraction. So if you were to subtract brownies minus cakes, you would get 33. So your second equation is B minus C equals 33. Now I have two equations with two variables. You can solve this system by either using substitution or elimination. I'm going to choose to use elimination and multiply the second equation by 7 in order to cancel out the C terms. So I'm going to rewrite my original equation. Distribute the 7 to both terms on the left side. So 7B minus 7C. And 7 times 33 is 210 plus 21, which is 231. Now I can add them together. The C terms cancel out the 0. 1.5B plus 7B is 8.5B. 83.50 plus 231, you will get 314.50. Next step, divide both sides by 8.5. That turns into 1. And the amount of brownies made were 37. The question asks you how many of each item were sold, so you need to find cakes as well. So your final step would be to plug B, 37 in for B into one of the two equations. I'm going to choose the second one. So 37 minus C equals 33. Subtract 37 from both sides. Negative C equals negative 4. Then divide both sides by negative 1. C equals 4. So that's 4 cakes. So at the sale, 4 cakes were sold and 37 brownies were sold.